Regenerative braking, or regen, in your Tesla Model Y captures the kinetic energy created during deceleration. This energy is converted into electrical power that recharges the battery. By using regen, you extend your driving range and reduce wear on the traditional brake system. The system works by converting the car's motion into stored energy. This process is similar to how a bicycle dynamo converts pedaling motion into electrical energy for lights. In your Tesla, it's much more efficient and automated. You can adjust the regen strength through the vehicle's touchscreen settings to suit your driving preferences. This customization allows for a more personalized driving experience, whether you're in city traffic or on the highway. Regen strength can be set to low, standard, or high, or even enabled as one-pedal drive for maximum efficiency. To change your regenerative braking settings, start by looking at the touchscreen in your Tesla Model Y. The touchscreen is located in the center of the dashboard and displays various controls. Tap the Controls icon on the main screen to access vehicle settings. From the Controls menu, select Driving to view driving-related options. Then choose Regeneration to access the regen strength settings. Here you'll find options to adjust the regen strength. Low provides minimal energy recovery, Standard offers balanced efficiency, and High maximizes regeneration. Selecting low regen gives you a more traditional driving feel, with about 30% energy recovery. Standard regen, the default setting, provides balanced efficiency with around 50% recovery. High regen maximizes energy recapture, with up to 80% recovery for optimal efficiency. You can adjust these settings to match your driving style and preferences. Changes take effect immediately. You have three main options for regen strength: low, standard, and high. Low provides minimal regen for a traditional driving feel. Standard balances efficiency and comfort and is the default setting. High maximizes energy recovery for more aggressive deceleration. One-pedal drive activates the highest regen level, allowing you to decelerate simply by releasing the accelerator pedal. This feature makes driving more intuitive, especially in urban environments with frequent stops. However, be cautious when driving downhill. The strong regen in one-pedal drive can lead to brake overheating if you rely only on the accelerator pedal. Always use the brake pedal when descending to ensure safety and prevent damage. Adjusting regen strength in your Tesla Model Y allows you to customize your driving experience based on your preferences and driving conditions. Different regen levels provide varying amounts of energy recovery. Low regen offers minimal recovery for a traditional driving feel, while high regen maximizes efficiency. A 2024 case study of Tesla Model Y owners showed that switching to high regen from standard resulted in a 15 to 20% increase in driving range during mixed urban and highway driving. Regenerative braking diagrams show how the system captures kinetic energy and converts it back to electrical energy for the battery. Experiment with different regen strengths to find the setting that best suits your driving habits and maximizes your vehicle's efficiency. Tesla introduced Smart Regen Mode, which uses artificial intelligence to optimize energy recovery. The system analyzes real-time driving conditions, traffic patterns, and battery state to maximize efficiency without compromising safety. Looking ahead, regenerative braking will evolve with fully autonomous management integrated into full self-driving systems. This will allow the vehicle to predict and adjust regen based on upcoming road conditions and traffic flow. Vehicle-to-vehicle communication will further enhance regen by enabling platoon driving, where multiple vehicles coordinate their braking and acceleration to maximize energy efficiency across the group. Model Y's regenerative braking system includes important safety features. It automatically blends regenerative braking with mechanical brakes to prevent loss of control, prioritizing energy recovery until vehicle speeds drop below about 5 miles per hour. You can always override the regenerative braking by simply pressing the brake pedal, which immediately engages the mechanical brakes for full control. When using one-pedal drive, be mindful of road conditions and your surroundings. For instance, downhill driving may require mechanical braking to prevent brake overheating. Safety is enhanced through software updates. A past recall for regen issues causing unexpected deceleration was resolved via over-the-air fixes, ensuring reliable performance. The energy recovery rate adjusts dynamically based on conditions. as shown here. Always prioritize safety by understanding how to override when needed. Once you've selected your preferred regen settings, the changes take effect immediately without requiring a vehicle restart. This instant application ensures a smooth transition to your chosen regen strength, whether low, standard, or high. Your regen settings can be synced across multiple Tesla vehicles through your Tesla account. This synchronization ensures a consistent driving experience, whether you're switching between your Model Y and other Tesla models in your account. All Model Y variants support these features, with adjustments being software-based and easily manageable through the vehicle's touchscreen. Enjoy the enhanced efficiency and personalized driving experience that optimized regen settings provide.